Today we'll talk about how can you create new agency account on your Upwork challenge app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, just go up of your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click on contact info here and you come to this list. So just switch into open video. So then all you have to do, you just click in this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, come here to your agency account, just click on it. So you just switch into open video here and here add agency name. Then you click on continue here. Then it's going to take you to next step to follow uh, all lists. Then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.